Oh.
Our first sacrifice.
Happy Easter, everybody. Oh.
Happy Easter.
I held it like this and stabbed it up like this.
Okay.
Hello there, everybody. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everybody. Oh, that's just lovely. Hello there.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everybody. I got messages today. Oh, that's nasty. Of am I going to do a Canteen Cup thing this week? And I said, no, I can't. I'm off visiting family for Easter. We got too much going on. And then my lovely wife said, well, you could do this. So I don't have a Canteen Cup with me. It's close. I'm making a treat with Peeps because that's appropriate for Easter. A lot of other people are doing Canteen Cup stuff too. Please look at the description down below for all of them. Go check them out. As always, this is a lot of fun. But I hope you enjoy this Canteen Cup, not quite in a Canteen Cup, Easter special from me. All right. While the boys are putting Peeps to death, this is what I'm going to do. Chocolate chips. I can't open my chocolate chips. Anybody want some chocolate chips?
No.
All right. And a little bit of heavy cream. Apparently got to open this too. There we go. All right. A little bit of heavy cream. Just enough to cover the chocolate. There we go. I'm gonna put this on heat and melt it all up. You're right, this is not a Canteen Cup. But it's about the right size, so this is not gonna take long, I don't believe. Shame we don't have a Dutch oven out here. There's a lot of coals in that fire.
We can whip one up real quick. No, we can't. Haven't got one. Looks like they're getting liquid.
What do you think?
You still got some solid chocolate in there though.
Yeah, it hadn't melted yet. Chocolatey goodness. All right, phase 2. I have Peeps. Peeps that will be sacrificed. We put one of each color in here. Purple. They stick together. Blue. Green. And pink. Peeps swimming on chocolate. And now here's the fun part. We're gonna put this on top. And I need some coals. That ought to brown them up. That's chocolatey goodness.
Is it working?
They've all been beheaded.
Huh?
Their heads are... Might be some marshmallow on the bottom of the cup too.
Think that'll come off alright. Let it get cold and lick it off.
You want to see what's in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why don't you have, you don't think it needs to be on there cold anymore?
I'll put it back in a minute. I just, I don't want to burn it.
But you know what kind of chocoholic I am? cover a dog in chocolate and I'd eat the dog. Well, you can imagine how nice it would be to have right across here some Cornish hens.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Ooh, my goodness.
My peeps are headless. The peeps have given their all. And now they're just graham cracker stick, marshmallow, and chocolate. We have a peep s'more. Mmm. I don't know. This sugar's holding the peeps together pretty good. But, oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Good stuff. Mmm. Happy Easter.